When we need to weigh materials in the laboratory, it's important to use the right sort of balance. Top pan balances for lower accuracy and higher masses, analytical balances for precision measurements of small amounts of material. Analytical balances are very sensitive instruments and need to be positioned appropriately in the laboratory, and they need to be level in order to weigh accurately. Balances need to be regularly checked for accuracy and should be calibrated by a competent professional at least annually. Before using a balance, ensure that the balance is safe to use and is clean of spills from previous use. Have a clean and uncluttered work area. If weighing larger amounts, use a top pan balance to weigh directly into a vessel. You can either make a note of the weight of the vessel first, or use the tare facility to zero the balance as if the vessel was not there. For smaller masses, use an analytical balance. Using a weighing boat minimizes errors, does not overload the balance, and makes it easier to transfer material afterwards. Ensure it is placed directly in the center of the balance pan. Add material either directly on the balance or outside, but limit the amount of movement of the weighing boat to minimize the risk of spillage. Always close the doors of the balance before taking a reading to minimize the effect of air currents and allow the reading to settle. If the material is not at ambient temperature, you may struggle to get a steady reading. Record the results directly into a permanent record, either a paper lab book or electronic notebook or printer. Never record weighing data onto scraps of paper. It may be important to reweigh after the material has been transferred from the weighing boat. This will give a measure of the mass of material actually transferred. When finished, always ensure the balance is clean and leave it in standby mode rather than turning it off completely.